Hello everyone, welcome to Trendy Styles Forever. This video is all about statement sleeves. Yes, but before I go further, remember to subscribe to this channel for our video uploads. Okay, this video is all about the statement sleeves, and it's actually the casual and classy statement sleeves for everyday look 2020. Really casual, really classy statement sleeves for everyday look 2020. You can't go wrong putting on any of these patterns or designs. Very beautiful and trendy as well. Very puffy. You have the puffy style statement sleeves. You also have the extreme statement sleeves. You also have tonic sleeves in there somewhere as well, so you do well to watch the video till the end. I'll be signing out now till the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.